Job number 20213170. We're taking a brief video at this moment after the water has had a chance to settle out to the debris. Footage is at 28 feet right now. This position is located between the staircase and the basement bar kitchenette area on the floor. This locate has been marked with tape on the floor, and the depth here is 12 inches. Unpaused. Now we are at the final connection of a sewer lateral to the city main. This lateral terminates directly into a manhole out in the road. 146 feet is the footage at this point. Sewer is a little bit steamy, but we can see that dark hole is another sewer lateral entering the manhole on the opposite side. We have some water flowing down the floor drain to be able to observe flow characteristics, passing out of the manhole structure into the piping. Pipe appears to be a size larger than 4 inch at this point, possibly a 6 inch diameter. Transition in pipe size and material. It appears that we stepped down to 4 inch at this point. 116 feet. Looks like we have a test tee there at the top. Change in direction at 78 feet. Another test tee here at the top of the pipe there. Transition from 4-inch PVC to 4-inch cast iron at about 60 to 61 feet. The position of this transition appears to be directly underneath the footing. I'm going to push pause to allow the water to stop while we do the final video. We have a branching off on a Y. The run of that Y heads directly to a stack that is located in a small closet towards the front of the home. Almost looks like maybe a steel wool grain. We are currently running parallel with the front of the home within the basement, along the basement wall, heading towards the base of the basement staircase. Turning a 90-degree turn, this is right next to the basement, the bottom of the basement staircase. And then now as we're running perpendicular with the front of the home, we are currently running right underneath the wall that defines one side of the staircase. Appears to be a Y, possibly a 4x2Y at 21 feet. Likely heading off to a kitchen drain, possibly. Suspect a drain is located behind one of the pillars in the bar area, basement bar area. Visible at the upper left corner is a Y for the floor drain. We know this to be true because we ran water with a hose down that. Transition to PVC with a PVC Y for the basement kitchenette drain that was added at some point. Transitioning back to cast iron. Going up the base of the stack. Transitioning back to PVC. Access through the stack. floor has been patched, and then there we have our PVC drain cut in. Pushed pause in an attempt to remove some of the film on the lens to get a better view of this inside piping. Again, we're going to come back here. We got the transition, we got the Y. A lot of scale buildup and debris sitting around, and what looks to be a stainless steel wool brush or scrubber of some kind. Possibly another bit of that steel wool scrub pad there. Bottom is quite flat because there's a lot of scale and debris buildup on the bottom of this piping. A 90-degree turn here at about 39 feet. A lot of pooling water sitting around here. Bit of a ridge formation at 30 to 33. Almost like a dam holding some water back. As you pass over it, we kind of fall down over the ridge. Cooling water behind that. Cooling water continuing behind that for a while. A lot of scale in the pipe. Again, we see our Y for heading over the kitchen at 22. Y at the upper left corner for the floor drain. Transition to a section of PVC with a Y on its back for the basement kitchen. Back to cast iron. Basin stack. Back to PVC. PVC stack there. Currently we are looking at flow coming into this Y. All we have running right now is the bar sink located in a kind of a closet space nearby the main kitchen sink. So we know that the water is flowing from that bar into this junction point. We're turning off the bar and turning on the main kitchen faucet to see if that is also related, which is most likely. Currently we shut off the bar sink, and now we should have the main kitchen sink running. Water still continues to flow, so the main kitchen sink also connects to this drain point. We've shut off the main kitchen and turned on the bar sink, or the island sink faucet. Again, we have flow continuing, so those three kitchen area fixtures connect at this Y point.